What is EG4's kind of official statement on where y'all are at? Do you have anything? It's like, okay, well, this is how we're feeling about it right now.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. The good news, Eric, is for all intents and purposes for our customers, both existing and potential customers, EG4 inverters are unaffected. So you kind of pointed to there's a few asterisks that come along or came along with that announcement. One of the key ones that I think is important to understand for a lot of individuals on this call, kind of in the near term, immediate future, and this impacts EG4 and our competitors in the market as well, is inverters that are in the market with a valid FCC ID are not impacted. This is not retroactive to come back now and ban those inverters from new interconnection, or certainly to impact them if they've already been installed and interconnected with the grid, or even off grid. This also impacts off grid inverters. So the good news is for all the existing EG4 product line, that includes our FlexBOSS series of inverters, our KPV series of inverters, as well as our XP series of inverters. They are not impacted by this FCC announcement. They all already carry a valid FCC ID. You can actually see that on the dongle on the newer units that we are producing. And then for some of those legacy units, we went ahead and added that into the manual just to avoid any confusion there, that these do carry a valid FCC ID and therefore are not impacted by this announcement.
Okay. Well, I mean, that's kind of the conclusion that we'd come to just kind of hashing it out last week. But, there's still certain things that are up in the air for us. For instance, how does how does this ruling affect let's say firmware updates? Is there anything, because that's over the air stuff, is there anything like that that's going to be affected? Can we still get updates to the firmware to unlock new features if there's anything hidden in there or whatever? How's that work?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching this clip from Unplugged Live. If you want to see the rest of the full hour show, check it out right here. We do it live every single Thursday night. Catch us live and be part of the conversation.